let's start the process making dum biryani. This is the setup. So we will start from making the rice first. So for the rice, we're gonna use some oil and some whole spices to infuse in the boiling water that we're gonna boil the rice for the biryani. So these are the whole spices. We will mix the chicken with all the spices, leave it for a few minutes so it infused inside the chicken, and when we cook it with the rice, as we mentioned before, it's gonna give very aromatic taste and aromas. These onions we're gonna fry, make it crisp. It's gonna be mixed in the onion later on when we boil the rice and mix the chicken and rice together. So let's fry the onion first of all. So let's fry the onion first of all. We'll warm up a little bit of oil and we'll fry the onion. So onions are ready. We're gonna just take it out on a towel. It will be crispy in a few when it gets cold, and we'll use it later on for the garnishing and mixing up with the biryani. So we're gonna strain the same oil to make rice. This oil we're gonna use to boil the rice for the biryani. You're gonna add the whole spices, some bay leaves, cinnamon stick a bit, star anise, small green cardamom, and whole cumin and the cloves. We're not gonna cook it for long, just stir. So we're gonna add the water to the whole spices. Since we're gonna cook the rice not completely 100%, we're gonna strain the rice while it's cooked like about 75%. So don't worry about the water, since we're gonna take the rice just straining out of the water. So if the quantity is little more or less, don't worry about that. Add some salt. So we add the rice once it's gonna start boiling. So wait for a boil. This is a process. So this is a patient process. We'll make it with the love and or skill. That much we love and enjoy the biryani later on. So let's start the process mixing the stuff. So we start with the chicken. Chicken is on bones. It's a leg quarter. We cut into the small pieces. Taking the chicken with on bones, the reason is it's more juicy and more flavorful than using the breast, white meat. You can use that too. If you like the white meat, you can use the white meat always, but I prefer this thing. As we are making a dum biryani, I want it as authentic as it can be. So let's take the chicken. We took the chicken, lemon juice, ginger garlic paste, salt, this is flavor enhancer, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. This is garam masala. Garam masala is the mix of all the whole spices. We make this blend our own. You can buy from the market always. Again, it's called garam masala. you can easily buy from the market. If you are really want to be with our blend, you can always stop by with us. We always have it. I'll happy to give you some. So some garam masala, turmeric powder, and last and not the least, this is biryani masala, oil, and the curd, yogurt. Mix all together. We are mixing this chicken and all the other spices and ingredients. Meanwhile, water is boiling in there, and by the time water boil and the rice be cooked about 75%, it'll take time to get marinated well, to infused with the rice and the spices. So let's keep it on the side. And before that, these are the onions we fried earlier. Half of this we'll mix in this, half of these we're gonna save for later on to garnish. When our biryani is ready, we're gonna garnish on the top. And these onion as well as the other things sitting here, those are all for the garnishing only. So this is kesar, saffron. We will put some water in it and keep it aside. It'll give you some color and the aroma when we garnish it on the top. Some fresh mint and the eggs. Eggs are more likely optional, but just to make the thing more authentic, we are using eggs. While the dum biryani, mostly people take it with the eggs. You can always skip that. If you like that, it'll be the complete chicken dum biryani. So let's move inside and let's look for our rice. If rice is ready, we're gonna layer it with that, and we'll start doing the second step of biryani. So water is boiling now. We'll add the rice now. Let's cook it for a few. Let's check the rice. Okay, so again, we're not gonna cook the rice 100%. It looks like rice is 75% cooked, exactly how we want. So here is our chicken we marinate earlier. We're gonna layer that chicken with this rice. Thoroughly layered the rice, and now we're gonna use these fried onions on the top. That's the leftover from the earlier fried onions. Saffron that we dissolved in the water. Put that on the top. Cilantro, fresh mint, green chilies are optional, but I'm gonna put it in as I like spicy, and all my staff they're gonna have it asking for spicy as well. Boiled eggs, we're gonna just keep it inside like this at that moment, Later on, when we serve it, we'll cut it into half or serve as it is. Anybody is asking for the whole egg. Time of sealing it. So this is the whole wheat flour. We had it ready. We always having it ready for making the roti. So you can make on the side if you don't have it. So you can use it to seal it. Here we have few more, and we are all set with this thing. Seal tight. Just turn the heat up a little bit and cook it for on the low heat for about 40 to 45 minutes. Okay, it's been 45 to 50 minutes now. Let's check our biryani. Oh my gosh. It's exactly, let's check the chicken. Chicken is, look at how tender it is. So let's serve it. Look at the chicken, how tender is the chicken. Oh my God, it's exactly, we were mentioning earlier before we start making it. It's juicy, it's aromatic, it's tasty, and really, I have enough words to mention it. The only thing to figure out how it is, you should be here to taste it.